Yeah, I'm just stopping it. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Excellent. Alina, interaction with Alina is always having some adventures. Once,
Yes, sir.
once you came with another Alina. This time you came with another Ankit.
Yes, sir. That's why I changed my name today as Alina Tom.
Oh, good. That's good. Excellent. Thank you. Best wishes. Now, can you, what are you doing now? You're doing MBA.
I'm doing MA Economics, sir.
Acha, acha. What are the main subjects you are studying in MA Economics?
The major subjects I'm studying here are microeconomics, macroeconomics, development economics, econometrics, banking, financial economics, etc.
Bab re bab. This many things. 1 minute, 1 minute. Something interesting. You are telling something very interesting. Certain things I know, but certain things I don't know. One is micro, macro, I know. What is next one? Development. Then what else?
Development economics.
Then after that,
Then econometrics,
econometrics. Okay. Then,
financial economics,
Are Baba. Then,
international trade,
okay.
public finance,
Okay.
Indian economy,
Okay. So
then some sort of mathematical related
good.
papers
Now,
too.
out of these things, I will not ask you about micro, macro, and all because I know micro means at a small level, macro
Yes,
means
sir.
at a larger level.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what is development economics?
Development economics studies about the developing criteria for various sectors in the economy,
Okay.
how the development can be achieved. There are many theories given
Mhm,
by many economists
mhm.
on how the growth and development can be uh, cooperated together and the development can be achieved. A steady growth can be achieved in the economy.
Excellent. Do you think we are following it?
Yes, sir. Some sort of theory, some theories says the same thing which are happening now in the economy.
Can you give me an example?
Yes, sir. There is a theory given by NIACL. It is known as the vicious circle of poverty. It says that uh, low savings lead to low investment. It further leads to low productivity in the economy. It further leads to a low supply and again returning back to low income and low demand.
Mhm,
There is a circle, vicious circle of poverty.
mhm.
Poverty always leads to poverty.
Very sad. It is also true, 20% of people who are top, they have some 80% of the wealth of the country.
Yes,
That
sir.
that is very sad, very sad. But it's okay, doesn't matter. Nothing in our hands. Now, good, you told about that. I am happy about that. Can you explain what is econometrics?
Sir, econometrics is the subject which deals with, it's a combination of economics, mathematics, and statistics.
Good,
We
good,
use
good.
econometrics for
Suffi-
empirical measurements of economic theories.
Fine, fine. Can you explain what is financial economy?
Financial economics deals with both money market and capital market.
Here you will get caught. Tell me what is money market? What is capital market? So,
Money market
so
and
tomorrow when they ask you to introduce yourself, if you take them that tell them that you are doing MA and you try to tell about some area in which you are more strong, we you can say I'm doing MA economics. The major subjects in that I like are this subject, so that they will ask questions relating to that. Could you follow?
yes, sir.
Now tell me what is money market, what is capital market, and you have to talk to me for at least 2 minutes.
Money market and capital market are the two areas of the financial economics. Money market deals with the trading of securities for a short-term borrowing, which means the borrowing takes place for less than or equal to 1 year of period of time.
Mm,
The main money market instruments are uh, treasury bills,
mm,
then certificate of deposit,
mm,
promissory notes,
mm,
etc.
mm,
And in the case of capital market,
mm,
it leads with long-term securities,
mm,
long-term trading of securities, that is, which takes place more than 1 year of time.
mm. Good.
Maturity takes more than 1 year, and the major instruments in the capital market are debts, debentures, shares,
Mm,
equity,
mm.
etc.
Good. Excellent. Good, good, good. You told this nicely. Very happy. Now, what is international trade?
International trade mainly leads with how the trade takes place between different countries, what are the criteria, and leads will there be a balance of payment, uh, there is a deficit uh, or surplus in the economy. We study about that.
What is FEMA? FEMA.
FEMA is the
Expansion. You don't know? Foreign Exchange Management
no,
Act.
Foreign Exchange Management Act.
That only tells about what are the remittances that can be made without reference to Reserve Bank, what are the remittances that should be made with reference to Reserve Bank, etc.
Okay, sir.
For example, you want to buy some magazine from abroad, you can remit up to some dollars without going to RBI.
Okay,
Your authorized dealer, your federal bank itself will be able to do it.
Okay, sir.
Good. What is public finance?
Public finance mainly leads with the government expenditure and revenue, the study of public authority, how the government is taking actions, how the taxation is affecting the economy, etc.
Good. Now, what is Indian economy?
Indian economy leads with studies the development of the Indian economy, to be particular. It also studies various schemes provided by the government, how the economy is growing, how it is affecting the people, etc. We study about it.
Indian economy. What
Yes, sir.
is India's current economy? How much worth is that?
I don't know, sir.
Dollar 3.25 trillion.
Okay, sir.
Dollar 3.25 trillion nominal. This is estimated. This is estimated.
Okay, sir.
And estimated for 2021 was some 1.4 trillion.
Okay, sir.
And that's okay, fine. Then is India a powerful economy?
Yes, sir.
How much powerful is it?
It's actually a developing economy, but while we consider the defense sector and the major technological advancement with different association, we can say that it is one of the powerful economy with the second largest population in the world.
What size? What is the number of economy? First, second, third, or what is it?
Sorry, sir, I haven't looked about it.
India is in 4th place.
Okay, sir.
First place is China.
Yes, sir.
with a production worth of 23.2 trillion. This is as on probably 2017.
Okay, sir.
And European Union with 20.9 trillion.
Okay, sir.
And United States with 19.4 trillion. This is coming under, say, third, that is third. And thereafter, India, I told you 3.25 trillion. We are in
Okay.
fourth place. Acha,
Okay, sir.
where should I give this? Shall I give it in Federal Bank, this thing?
Yes, sir.
I will give it under that. You just study this. You may have to, good, but you are telling nicely now. What is India's 2000 now present GDP? Because yesterday, today budget has been presented. From there, you would have come to know many points. Now tell me, what is the present GDP of India?
Sir, present GDP, it's 21.5, sir.
Highlights of 1 minute. Highlights of Union budget. Did you go through Union budget?
Sir, just looked it, but I didn't study very well. Digital currencies, cases and all, I have looked it.
There's some new things they are introducing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But yesterday I posted this thing in what is that? Yesterday I prepared one thing known as economic survey highlights. Did you go through that economic survey highlights?
No, sir.
Oh, I have posted a video also on that and given you the link of materials also. State of the economy. Now, from where did you get this figure? Some 21 something. From where did you?
Sir, last day when I was participating with the other candidate, she said this one.
Here, the
Okay,
economic survey summary, I'm telling you. Indian economy bracket GDP is estimated to grow by 9.2%.
Yes, sir.
GDP is projected to grow by 8 to 8.5% in real terms in 2022-23. This year, coming year 9.2, next year 8 to 8.5. With
Yes, sir.
enhanced borrowings on account of COVID, the central government debt has gone up from 49.1% of GDP to 59.3%.
Okay, sir.
Then rupees 89,066 crores have been raised via IPO, 75 IPOs. What is IPO?
It's related to capital market, stock exchange.
What is the expansion of IPO?
Issue of public offer.
Initial public offer.
Okay, sir.
Initial public offering. Then foreign exchange reserves crossed $600 billion in the first half of 2021-22 and touched $633.6 as of December 31, 2022.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, December 2021. Now we are in 22, correct. It's okay. So these are the points given here. Why did I raise this question now? I was asking you about what is the
current GDP.
Current GDP, yeah. Current GDP, you can say 9.2 and it is next year, it is likely to be 8 to 8.5.
Okay, sir.
Which country has highest GDP?
I don't know, sir.
It is given as United States.
Okay.
So many things they are mixing, One time when we talk about economy, they say China is the biggest. When GDP, when they want, they are telling United States is the highest. followed by China, Japan, Germany.
Okay, sir.
Which country is number 1 in the world?
Sir, is it China?
Canada is named as number 1 country in a 2021 best countries report. Maybe this is
Okay.
something else, doesn't matter. So we will not concentrate on that. We will now go into Federal Bank. Now, what is your father?
My father is a teacher.
Acha, which college or school is he teaching?
He is teaching in a primary school.
Acha, primary school. What about your mother?
My mother is also a teacher.
Oh, full teaching family.
Yes, sir.
Good. How many siblings do you have?
I don't have any siblings.
Oh, only child. Good.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Now, will your parents permit you to go away from your native place on being recruited into Federal Bank?
Yes, sir.
No problem?
No problem.
Okay. What do you know about the current share market price of Federal Bank, roughly?
Current share market of Federal Bank is 100.35.
Good. Excellent. Very good. Now, what do you understand by retail banking?
Retail banking, sir, is it about sales and all?
Retail banking is what we are going to do at the bank branch, sitting, attending to each and every customer. Retail banking, also known as consumer banking or personal banking, is banking that provides financial services to individual consumers
Okay, sir.
rather than businesses. Services offered by retail banks include check account, savings account, mortgage, personal loans, etc. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
how will you retail banking India? I will put India here. What I get is foreign. Retail banking India. See, retail banking means what we are actually doing in bank branches: opening savings bank account, current account, issuing demand draft, giving housing loans, giving car loans, etc. They are all known as retail banking. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. How to give it to you? 1 minute. I am giving it. Just a minute. See, I have been talking for so many days, but every day I get to some new topic.
Yes, sir.
I have given it in our Federal Bank.
Okay, sir.
And next question they have asked is, how does Indian retail banking help country's economy? Super question. Tell me. Good question. You must answer this.
Through credit creation?
No, you should not answer like a telegram. You should answer in lengthy sentences.
Sir, by the major role of commercial banks are accepting deposits from the public and granting loans and advancement to the needy.
Very good. Retail banking helps Indian banking industry by providing a wide range of innovative services: mortgages, loans, personal housing loan, auto, educational on the asset side, and more important products offered by banks. Retailed ancillary services include credit cards, depository services. This helps in creation, improving of the economy. More money, more circulation, more creation, jobs, etc. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. Now I will go to the next question. You are an economics graduate, correct? Definitely,
Yes,
they will ask you about today's budget and also about economic policy. Please go through that thoroughly.
Okay, sir.
Good. Can you do sales for us?
Yes, sir.
Will you be willing to go out to shops and other places to canvass deposits and other accounts for us?
Sure, sir.
Very good. What makes you think that you will fit into that role?
Sir, my communication skills and adapting to different challenges makes me possible to do any sort of work.
Mhm. Mm. Yeah. There is one point coming. What is that? FIP means what? FIP. FIP. Have you heard about this? FIP.
I don't know, sir.
Because they have asked in one Federal Bank interview, FIP. Financial Inclusion Plan.
Okay, sir.
Oh, Baba, this is your subject.
Yes, sir.
This is Alina's subject.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, but I am giving the link to you. Please study that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. New top subjects are coming. What to do? Huh? New subjects. Indian economy. Financial inclusion plan is RBI designed financial inclusion. That is nothing but financial inclusion, about which I have discussed many times, namely by opening more regional rural banks and by having bank correspondents, and also by having opening of small finance banks, and by opening payment banks, by offering insurance services like Atal Pension Yojana, PMSSBY, PMJJBY, and above all, most important, opening of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts.
Yes, sir.
So you please go through that. They asked
Okay, sir.
in one Federal Bank interview, they asked what is FIP, Financial
Okay, sir.
Inclusion Plan. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. Why do you trust Federal Bank?
Sir, it is one of the major leading banks which is performing well in India. Also, there are many employees and customers who are satisfied. About more than 1 crore satisfied customers are there with Federal Bank. So
That
I
is why
trust.
you trust. Very good. Because they have asked the very same question. What is wholesale banking? Wholesale banking, you are not studied this?
No, sir.
I am giving the link. See, you are lucky, you are getting new questions. Good. Now let me come to other questions they have asked in Federal Bank. How many branches are there in Kerala, Federal Bank?
Sir, I don't know about Kerala. In India, it is 1,291.
Good. I suggest you get to know about Kerala also.
Okay, sir.
Why home loans are given by banks?
Sir, construction of a home is a necessity in everyone's daily life. So it will not be sufficient. It will not be unless there is no home loans. It will not be. It will not make able for everyone to make their dream home with their available cash. So in order to get some more amount in a limited time, loans should be there.
Yeah, actually, increasing population requires more houses.
Okay, sir.
And people do not have full cash in their hand to give that housing loans are given. Good. Can you expand what is TDS?
TDS.
Tax deducted at source.
Oh, yes, sir.
I think about that I have posted videos and all. Up to 40,000 rupees interest on fixed deposits is exempted from income tax.
Okay, sir.
For a case of senior citizen 60 years and above, 50,000 rupees interest income from bank interest. Above that, 10% TDS will be deducted by the bank.
Okay,
And
sir.
if they do not want to deduct income tax, they have to give Form 15G for less than 60 years, Form 15H for people above 60 years. I posted a video also.
Okay, sir. I will look into it.
Why I gave it to you? You have not seen that? 2 days back, I posted a video because that another Alina Babu asked about that, and I posted a video and I sent it to you also. Doesn't matter. Now tell me, what is the name of the mobile app of our federal bank?
Fed Recruit.
No. Mobile app of federal bank.
I don't know, sir.
Why? Website it is there, na? SIB Mirror.
Sir, of Federal Bank.
Yeah.
Uh,
Federal Bank web. What is the name?
SIB Mirror is of SIB and not
Oh,
FedNet.
sorry. That is South Indian Bank. Na? I'm very sorry.
Is sir.
So that must be what you say is right. A FedNet. Good.
FedNet.
Good. Very good. Very good. Because I taken question from South Indian Bank. That is the reason.
Okay.
Very good. What is your family background?
Sir, my parents are teachers, and we are a nuclear family.
Very good. Now, what do you understand by gold loan? Why banks are giving gold loan and how banks are securing the gold loan? You are not studied about it?
No, sir.
Gold loans banks are giving because people require money urgently. So they go and pledge their gold jewels to bank and take loan against it. And when they repay, the gold will be returned to the customer. That is how banks secure their interests. And there can be two types of gold loan, one for agriculture purposes, another for non-agricultural purposes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very good. Now, okay. Can you tell me what is the present savings bank interest in Federal Bank?
I don't know, sir.
Why 2.75 something? Why can't you know this also?
Sir, when I look about the interest rate, it has shown many loans interest rate, and I was totally confused.
I'm just searching Federal Bank SB interest rate. Federal Bank interest rates. I'm giving you. Just searched, so I'm getting it. Federal Bank savings bank interest rate less than 5 crores, 1.5% below RBI repo rate. So that means now it is 2.5.
Okay, sir.
Now it is 2 less than rupees 5 crores, 1.5% below, or I am giving the link.
Okay, sir.
Federal Bank Telegram page, I'm giving the link. You should go through that.
Sure, sir.
Okay, good. And 5 crores and above, 1.50% below RBI repo rate for amount up to and including 1 lakh, that is 2.5%. And after that, 0.20% below RBI repo rate. That means 3.8%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This you can see in our Federal Bank website itself. Very good. So what makes you think bank job is more suitable for you?
Sir, being an economic graduate and banking is all about economy, I think that my knowledge will sufficiently add to the bank sector and I can make the organization better off with my economic judgments towards it.
Very good. Have you heard of the concept CSR? Corporate Social
Social
Responsibility.
responsibility.
Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Every banking sector has a social responsibility towards the society to build up and to invent some sort of activities
Mm.
which will give an employment opportunities uh, and skill development opportunities, etc.
Actually, corporate social responsibility is not only for banks, but also for other corporates. Corporates getting an income of rupees 500 crore and above in income must invest 2% of their income in such corporate social responsibility activities such as maintenance of garden, then by giving educational scholarship, giving facilities for hospitals, etc. समझ गया? You go through
Okay.
Federal Bank website and get to know about that also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then how do you imagine yourself 5 years from now, Alina?
Sir, 5 years
what do you
from
want to be? What do you want to be after 5 years?
Sir, after 5 years, I think that I will be doing a job which will satisfy my needs and improve my skill. I can serve others. I can a job which can utilize my capabilities and to serve others with my skills.
No, you can say instead of this, I see myself as branch manager in Federal Bank.
Okay, sir.
I would have studied JA, IAB, CIB and all that, and I would have studied the bank working in detail, and I will pass all the tests and see that I am promoted to scale 2.
Okay, sir.
Good. So with the first salary you are going to get from Federal Bank,
Yes, sir.
what will you do for your parents?
Sir, actually, my intention is to give for charity, give as a charity to some sort of some institute, charity institute.
Very good, very good, excellent. You
So
are
first of
interested
all,
in the you are interested more in charitable activities.
yes, sir.
Good, very nice. That's why you remitted 200 instead of 100 this time. You remitted 200. I saw that.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Best wishes. And do you have any questions? You are answering well, but some areas you don't know. I only pray that they should not ask those questions. And
Okay, sir. Actually, I am looking forward to it. I am studying, preparing these days from
yeah,
yesterday onwards.
yeah. And now your interview is going to be tomorrow
Tomorrow at 11:30 a.m.
over the internet only.
Yes, sir.
Acha. After the interview is over, kindly sit down calmly and list out the questions detailed manner and post it in your WhatsApp or your Federal Bank group. You just
Okay, sir.
inform. That will do.
Okay,
Best
sir.
wishes. You are doing well.
Thank you, sir.
Immediate marking for you will be, if I want to give less, I will give 8 out of 10. If
Okay,
I
sir.
want to give high, I will give 8.5 out of 10.
Okay, sir.
And this is what
Thank
it
you.
is. I wish you should succeed because you are a good girl. And I was very much impressed by your good GD. You were the person who participated in GD, no?
Yes, sir.
In the first few classes, you were very active.
In the first one, with other candidates, and second one with you, one-on-one session.
Yeah.
There were no other participants.
Yeah. You did very well. So you must do this also well. You read a lot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. And you, but you can't say I don't know about the rates and all. Federal Bank website you thoroughly go through. Nothing else
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
very. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
You did
Bye,
well.
sir.
You did well. And can I use this in YouTube or not?
Yes, sir. You can.
Very good. Congratulations. This itself is a positive sign, and this will help you in the long run. Best
Okay,
wishes.
sir.
Thank you.
The last day, I didn't prepare well, and I was not at all confident. My confidence rate was very too low.
This time you answered that economics questions and all superb. So you try to take them to economics in some way, and then you can answer very well. Best
Okay, sir.
wishes. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.